Okay, so it turns out this is probably just some review to get us started. So we're going to do that. X minus 5, can you see that? Kind of. We're switching it up. And then this is the what you're dividing by, and that kind of automatically should go there. The fact that we're dividing this by that means this times something else will give us a result of that big thing there. So we're going to put this down here as sort of the result. This is sort of a Jeopardy question. Give you the answer, and you got to come up with a question. What this times what is equal to that? Okay. So starting out, you're going to take that x cubed and put it right here, saying x times what is equal to x cubed. Well, that's an x squared. X squared times negative 5 is a negative 5x squared. Now, the idea here is the diagonal is set up in such a way that this plus this, even though that's a minus, whatever plus a negative 5x squared is going to give you a negative 9x squared. So it's a bigger negative number, so we need some more negatives to make those two get me to negative 9. Well, 5 plus 4 is 9, so a negative 4x squared plus a negative 5x squared is going to give me that negative 9. Okay, so x times what gives me the negative 4x squared? Well, we need another x to make the x squared, and we need a negative 4 to get us there as well. That times that is now a positive 20x. It's important that you keep track of those negatives, you guys. A negative times a negative is a positive. It's very easy to look at the negative and write a negative here. But you've got, this is more than anywhere else. You got to really pay attention here. The two of these together give me 19. Well, that's less than that, so I need to take the opposite sign, okay? These could both be negatives. I just need the opposite sign to get me to the 19 if they were both negatives, but they're both positives. So I'm going to say a negative 1x. You don't need the negative 1, obviously, but it does need to be a negative x to get you to 19. Negative 1 is here. Negative 1 times negative 5 is a positive 5. There's no remainder. The answer is x squared minus 4x minus 1.